everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great little project to share with you today. Super easy to put together. Last minute Halloween treats. Fabulous. So I'm going to show you how we created today's project. For my cardstock, I'm using basic gray. This piece is cut at 4 1/4 by 11. I have a piece of the Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper, and this piece is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4. I have this strip, which comes from the top of the Designer Series paper, and this piece measures 3/4 of an inch by 4 1/4. So we are going to fold our cardstock in half. Like so. We're going to grab a pencil and a ruler, and we need to mark 1 inch up at the top, and we need to mark 1 inch down on the side. My kids are super excited for Halloween. We're going to do that on the opposite side, so 1 inch on that side and 1 inch down on that side. Now, I will have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, don't stress. Everything will be there. And I will have that linked down in the description. So if you click in the link, it will take you right to the blog post. We are going to grab our Stampin' Trimmer. And we are going to line that 1 inch mark and that 1 inch mark into our track, and we are going to cut that away, and we're going to do that on the opposite side. So you're going to line that 1 inch mark with that 1 inch mark, and you're going to cut that away. What you're going to do now is you're going to open this up, and where these two marks are, you are going to line that up at like the 1/2 inch mark, and you are going to cut that away. So this you can use on a different project. For my treat pouch, I did go ahead and emboss with the Oh My Stars. Now that is optional. You don't have to emboss the top. Again, if you're strapped in time, it's not necessary. So I have my Designer Series paper. I've got my multi-purpose liquid glue. And you are just going to add that like so. And the back, you are just going to take your paper snips and cut this away like so. I have my little fruit pack, and what I did was I came in with the clear Stampin' envelopes, and I added this inside. And then all I did was I folded that back, and then I put that underneath like so. I took my stapler, attached my Designer Series paper, like so. I have some scrap pieces here. I have basic black and whisper white, and this is to punch out my sentiment. The ink I'm using is the gorgeous grape, and I am using the tailored tag punch. I'm just going to punch that out. Punch out my basic black piece. Now the stamp that I'm using is actually the paper pumpkin. It's got some lovely little words, spooky, eek, treats for you. So I'm using that. And I'm just going to stamp that onto the black and then cut away because I want the black to show up behind. And then I pop this up with dimensionals. And again, dimensionals are option. You can just glue it down. But just a fun way to give out some treats for Halloween. And super easy to put together. So I hope you're going to give this project a try. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're here in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used today, I will have them linked down in the description below. And if you click on any of the product, it will take you directly to my online store. I also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Halloween. Yeah, free candy. Whoop, whoop. Take care, you guys.